Hi, crafty friends. Okay. Monica Farris challenged me. She sent me some pads that she got at the Dollar Tree and some different little things. And she challenged me to be able to use them because she was kind of struggling with the combinations of papers that they put in these pads. And so this is the first, this was a set of Halloween invitation cards. And the picture at the beginning was what they looked like before. I'll add that in. And so it said a Halloween party underneath this. And so I took a black Sharpie and I colored over those words. And then I cut this Spooktacular out. And it's on a shadow too, so that was helpful. Glued it over at the top of it, put some little bats on the ends and some little eyes right there. Stickled over that. Cut a sheet of cardstock out for the inside. Grunged around it. Stamped Tricks and Treats. And on the back it said Made in Taiwan. And I covered that up with this and I used this bow die. But instead of using the O's here, I used the cutouts here. And I used the O's and put these googly eyes in there. So it says Spooktacular Tricks and Treats. Okay? And so they're all the same. I made them all the same. Well, the colors are a little different, but... Yep. Because when you're trying to cover something up, you don't want to... I didn't want to cover up everything. Just the part that made them party-only cards. So now they're cute little Halloween cards. Okay. So there's that set. And then the next one was this paper pad. And these are the sheets that it had. And she said she was struggling because they didn't seem to coordinate. Which they really don't. However, when I have learned this from doing No Paper Left Behind. When you have what you have and you want to use it, you have to think up different kinds of ways to use it. And so the first thing I did was take the cheetah print and the stripe. Now the only thing they have in common is this blue right here. So that's what I chose to mat them on so that it would join those two colors together. Because, you know, you can use more than one print. As long as something else coordinates with it. Okay, so obviously I matted it. This is a A2 size card. These are also Jot. This is a Jot paper pad that came from the Dollar Tree. This is Illustrated Faith, and that's just a little doodah. And then on the side, I put a white place to write and a strip of the cheetah print. Okay, so I'll show you all these first. This one says Dream Big. Another little sticker from the Dollar Tree. Some enamel dots to tie it all together. Inside. Dollar Tree, Illustrated Faith, little pearls, inside. Let's see, I think there's 2 more of those. Dollar Tree, Illustrated Faith, enamel dots, the inside. Dollar Tree, Illustrated Faith, enamel dots. Okay, and so out of these 36 pieces of paper, I made 18 cards. And I have some small scraps left that I could combine in the same kind of way. Okay, this is from the Dollar Tree. This little thing is from Illustrated Faith. There's actually a tag under there that says Sweet, but I put I Am His. Little pearl doodahs. Okay, so there's that combination. Then in this combination, the color that they had in common was this purple. So that's what I chose for my card base. Matted it up. This time I turned the paper on the front just a little bit wonky. Added this, little bird, little butterfly from Little Birdie. And that's what it looks like on the inside. This one says love, Dollar Tree, Little Birdie. Inside. Dollar Tree, Little Birdie, pearls. This one, I went crazy on the inside. And I like it, but then I thought, might be overkill. You know. This one says prayer from Illustrated Fate. This is a butterfly that either Dina, hey girl, or Paula, hey Paula, sent me. Illustrated Fate, pearls. That's the inside. Here's one. This is a dove from Alicia. Hey Alicia. Dollar Tree. Inside. I got one more of those. Dollar Tree, Alicia. Inside, I used 2 patterns on that one. And I wanted to go ahead and show you what I've done so far because I've got, I'll show you what I've got. I've got some more paper pads, but I didn't want to do it all at one time. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay, so this combination, there was nothing in common but the white. But I did not want to put it on white. I wanted to put it on pink because it looked better. I tried it. I didn't like it as much. So, Dollar Tree, gem. That's what it looks like on the inside. Illustrated Faith, Dollar Tree. Enamel dots. Illustrated Faith, a flower. Dollar Tree, Illustrated Faith, enamel dots. Illustrated Faith. And all these are Illustrated Faith and little doodahs. And so my tips for this are, and again, this is something that I have learned from doing No Paper Left Behind. Hey, Daniela. And I say all the time, every time, you know, I learn so much doing this, and I really do. And okay, so when you don't know where to start, when nothing matches, try to find one common thread or 2 patterns that you're like, okay, those are about the same size, or they're completely different in proportion. And then find a color that you like for both of them. And just go. And then look in your stash. See what you've got. I intentionally didn't do any die cutting with this set of cards because I know there are ladies out there that don't have a die cutting machine. But if you have a Dollar Tree, you know you can get stickers. And usually if a brand like Jot makes paper, the colors that they use in their stickers are going to either coordinate or match perfectly. So, you know, keep those things in mind. You know, I made these because I'm going to pass them on to my church. But, and so they're all along that line, you know, encouragement prayers, you know, that kind of thing. These are all feminine cards. There's no way I could have made these masculine. Even if I had to use this and put craft with it, I mean, I just don't think that would have been a real masculine card. So, but this could have been birthday cards. It could have been hello friend cards. You know, they could be anything because they're just happy. You know what I mean? And if your pattern is happy, you know, then you can coordinate the rest of your card to go along with it. So, those are my thoughts on that. Now, I've got those done. Now let me show you what else she sent me. I did a video on what she sent me, but okay, so this is a birthday pad to me. I mean, there's the confetti, ice cream cones, balloons, dots. So half of it at least will be birthday. And with this one, the colors do all coordinate. I could use any one of them with any other one. And I also have those bee stickers from that collection at Tuesday morning from that time. So they're going to be precious on that. And, you know, when you're looking at paper, think about what you've got in your stash, you know. And these could be juvenile, but they don't have to be. So, anyway, that. And I'm really excited to work with this. It's just denim. Denim fabulousness. I have so many ideas spinning in my head for this pad. And she said, I think she's actually used 2 of these and really enjoyed doing it too. But she kind of wanted to see, I think, what I would do with it. And then this shape pad, odd shapes. So my head's spinning with that too. I've already got ideas. And it is solid. Oh, some that are completely solid. And then the others are double-sided. So, okay. And then she sent me some little ticket pieces. And these ribbons with the words on them. So, I wanted to catch y'all up. Now, I got something serious I got to talk about. Because I hope I can do this and maintain. I may not be able to. Lily, y'all know, my granddaughter, a child that's in her class, a good friend of hers, was in a car accident with his aunt, his little sister, and his cousin, and they were all killed. And if y'all would just pray for this family and the school and the kids. He was a sweet, sweet soul. And, you know, he's in heaven now. That's a good thing. Praise God. But the impact that it will have on the community and the children, you know. This child came into school, hugged everybody. He was just a light, you know. And I just can't imagine what this family must be going through. Because I know what we're going through. And we're, you know, we're just on the outside. Before we told Lily, Nikki had her make a video. She didn't tell her. She just said that she had been talking to his mom. And that that she would love for her to do a video about all the things that she loved about her friend. And so with her sweet little innocent heart, she did. And she told all the things that she loved about him and why he was her friend. And then we told her. And then we let her watch the video so she could remember those pure, wonderful things that she loved about him. So anyway, you guys, just please keep that family in your prayers, and Lily. And love your babies. Love everybody. Tomorrow's not promised. Today's not promised. I love you guys. Blessings.